Hello everyone. In this video I'll show you how to implement the canonical tag on your website if you're using Yoast SEO or Rank Math SEO plugins. Just to recap, canonical tag is a way of telling search engines that a specific URL represents the master copy of a page, and we discussed this in detail in my previous video. If you haven't watched that video, please go ahead and watch it first, and do not directly watch this video, otherwise you'll really not understand what canonical tags are. So first I'm just going to show you how to add and where you can add the canonical tag on Rank Math. I've already installed the Rank Math SEO plugin, so make sure you go to the plugin section and install it over there. And I've created a test page, which is a new page. If I scroll down, I will see the Rank Math tab over here. This will only show up when you install the Rank Math SEO plugin. So make sure you do that before you try adding the canonical tag. I'm going to open this, and if I scroll down under advanced over here, you will see the canonical URL. So what I'm going to do is whatever I want to add over here, I will go ahead and add it, whichever version or whatever URL you would like to add. So I'm just going to add, I'm going to use HTTPS and www, messed out this, digitaldoorway.com, and I will go back and publish it. Now just bear in mind that this is the master copy, and I will use this master URL on the duplicate page or on that page where I want to tell Google bots that this is the master URL. Many business owners and SEO professionals make this mistake of using the master URL on the master page itself. So if this is the page that you would like to direct the crawlers to, you need to use this URL on the duplicate or on the copy page, not on the original page. Please bear this in mind. So this is very simple using Rank Math SEO plugin, straightforward. Same case with Yoast SEO plugin. I've created a new page over here, test page. Again, you would need to go ahead and install the Yoast SEO plugin first before you start seeing it. And this is open over here. I will scroll down and you will see advanced tab over here. If you open the advanced tab, you will see canonical URL. Okay, so you need to put the canonical URL over here. So it's very straightforward whether you're using Rank Math or Yoast SEO plugin. Just put in the URL and you're good to go. So make sure that you put the canonical URL on the copy page and not on the master page. Alright, so that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.